Do Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers fit bigger tires? The most significant benefit of the Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers is the extra distance it creates between the wheels and the brake rotors. This is particularly important for those who need that extra space to clear big-size brake calipers and wide all-terrain tires. A wider track also helps drivers handle better both on and off the road. Depending on your needs, the perfect wheel spacer size will be different. We consider it best if the wheel is flush with the fender, but for performance or stylish purpose, slightly pushing OEM wheels and tires past the fenders is reasonable. Since the Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers push the wheels and tires out a few distance, they instantly subtract the offset. So, car spacers provide similar effect as lower offset rings. While OEM wheels arches are often designed for OEM wheels, adding larger rings and tires usually needs more space to fit. If changing tires with it, you have to consider new rims or proper Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers to make the offset correct. For those people who would like to keep the OEM rings, Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers are the most cost-effective way to go. Are Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers safe for off-roading? Off-road level Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers are designed to operate well in heavy duty and under any kind of terrain. If you would like to run about 1-inch wheel spacers, both on Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers are better, because both on spacers come with full set of wheel lug. The spacer bolts directly to your curb, and then the wheel is secured directly to your spacer. This is especially ensure full thread engagement and a smooth installation. As long as you stick with reputable forged aluminum wheel spacers and have the proper size, your Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers mold will be good. BONOSS forged active cooling Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers are made of the high security forged 6061T6 and the 007T6 aluminum. Both forged aluminum 6061T6 and 007T6 feature good hardness and toughness, excellent corrosion resistance, and wear resistant characteristics. Particularly, the forging process eliminated priority, ensuring structural integrity. Even facing in parts, they are not easy to break. Since the Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers are installed between the wheel hubs and the wheel, people worry about corrosion issues. To further improve the corrosion resistance and appearance of the spacers, BONOSS Sport active cooling aluminum Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers are excellent candidates for black hot anodizing. A proper hot anodizing coating ensures complete protection against corrosion. The oxidized layer that follows the anodizing process offers excellent protection. The precision of the BONOSS Sport active cooling Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers have reached 0.02 mm. Precise hub-centric wheel spacers provide high surface integrity, effectively guarantee safety, stability, and reliability, and ensure smooth operation of vehicle wheel parts. After hot anodizing, the corrosion resistance of these BONOSS Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers is greatly enhanced. In this way, you can also choose to customize the pattern you like, and we will have it paint on the custom Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers you want.